Preparation and standardization of various molar and normal solutions like oxalic acid, sodium hydroxide, hydrochloric acid, and sulfuric acid. Preparation and standardization of oxalic acid. Oxalic acid is available in pure state and standard solution can be prepared by direct method. Molecular formula of oxalic acid C2H2O4.2H2O. Preparation of oxalic acid solution. Molecular weight of the compound is 126 gram. Equivalent weight of oxalic acid is 63 gram. For preparing normal solution, 63 gram of oxalic acid dissolved in 1 liter water. Because we are preparing normal solution, and for normal solution equivalent weight of compound will be considered. For preparing 0.5 normal oxalic acid solution, 31.5 gram of oxalic acid dissolved in 1000 ml water. Next is standardization of n by 10 oxalic acid solution. Primary standard solution. For standardizing n by 10 oxalic acid solution, first of all, place the oxalic acid solution in a flask and add few drop of phenolphthalein indicator. Then pour 0.1 normal solution of sodium hydroxide in the burette, but since it is still not standardized, the concentration will be considered as unknown. Then add sodium hydroxide solution dropwise to analyte until the endpoint is reached. Apply the equation n into V equals to n dash V dash, where n and V are normality and volume of oxalic acid, and n dash V dash normality and volume of sodium hydroxide. Where n, V and V dash are known, find out n dash, which will not be far from 0.1. Preparation and standardization of sodium hydroxide. Sodium hydroxide is a deliquescent solid, means which can absorb moisture from the atmosphere. It cannot be weighed accurately. Molecular weight of sodium hydroxide is 40 gram and equivalent weight of sodium hydroxide is also 40 gram because it is a monoprotic base. Preparation. For preparing 1 normal sodium hydroxide solution, just dissolve 40 gram of sodium hydroxide in 1000 ml water. And for preparing 0.5 normal sodium hydroxide, 20 gram of sodium hydroxide dissolved in 1000 ml water. And for preparing 0.1 normal sodium hydroxide, only 4 gram of sodium hydroxide dissolved in 1000 ml water. According to normality, weight of sodium hydroxide that will be used for preparation can be calculated. Next is standardization of sodium hydroxide solution. Weigh accurately 0.63 grams of oxalic acid into a 100 ml volumetric flask and make up to 100 ml volume with distilled water. Then pipette out 20 ml solution and titrate it 0.1 normal sodium hydroxide by using phenolphthalein as an indicator. Continue the titration to get the concordant values. N1 V1 equals to N2 V2, where we only have to calculate N2, that is normality of sodium hydroxide. N1 is point normality of oxalic acid solution, V1 is volume of oxalic acid solution, V2 is volume of sodium hydroxide. And next, preparation and standardization of hydrochloric acid. Preparation of HCl. Take about 100 ml of water in a cleaned and dried 1000 ml volumetric flask. Then add about 0.5 ml of concentrated HCl with continuous stirring. Then add more about 700 ml of water. Mix and allow to room temperature. Make up the volume 100 ml with water. Mix solution thoroughly. Then keep the solution for at least 1 hour and then carry out the standardization process. Standardization of concentrated HCl. For standardizing concentrated hydrochloric acid solution, first of all, weigh accurately about 1.5 gram of anhydrous sodium carbonate, which should be previously heated at about 2700 degrees centigrade temperature for at least 1 hour. Then dissolve it in 100 ml of water and add 0.1 ml of methyl red solution. It is an indicator used for standardization of concentrated hydrochloric acid. Then add the acid slowly from a burette with constant stirring until the solution becomes faintly pink. Heat the solution to boiling, cool, and continue the titrations. Heat again to boiling and titrate further as necessary until the faint pink color is no longer affected by continued boiling. 1 ml of 1 molar hydrochloric acid is equivalent to 0.05 gram of sodium carbonate. This is formula for calculating molarity. M equals to Na2CO3 in milligram into 52.99 upon HCl in ml. Preparation and standardization of sulfuric acid. For preparing sulfuric acid solution, measure 6 ml sulfuric acid and fill it in a container and add about 800 ml purified water. Then after mixing, make up the volume up to 1000 ml with water and then allow it to cool for some time. Next is standardization of sulfuric acid solution. Weigh accurately about 0.2 gram of anhydrous sodium carbonate, which should be previously heated at about 2700 degrees centigrade temperature for at least 1 hour. Then dissolve it in 100 ml of water and add 0.1 ml of methyl red solution, which is an indicator. Then mix it properly and then add the acid sulfuric acid slowly from the burette with constant stirring until the solution becomes faintly pink. It will indicate the end of the titration process. After that, heat the solutions to boiling, cool and continue the titration again. Heat again to boiling and titrate further as necessary until the faint pink color is no longer affected by continued boiling. Then 1 ml of 0.1 molar sulfuric acid is equivalent to 0.0038 gram of sodium carbonate, and then calculate the molarity of the solution by following. Thank you.